That's unfortunate. You know what? I knew they would do some shit. I knew. Man, this is wild, dude. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we gotta get to the next site that they're gonna loot. Yo, one of y'all niggas need to ride me in this bitch, B. Yeah, that ass. Don't let them see you with that. Be careful.
I'm white, or almost white.
You said you're white?
Yeah.
So wait, you're white? You get to pick up a shoe? Oh my god.
No, I'm white, so they don't pick me.
Oh, okay. I thought you were saying you white, so you have that privilege to do it. Oh, okay.
Not yet. But they are not gonna do nothing to me.
So if I pick that shoe up, they gonna fuck me up? I should ask them that. Right? Oh no, I'm black, lady. Don't worry about that. If I'm brown, I'm black. If I'm tan, I'm black. I promise you. It's just ridiculous. Like they were like, so first they tagged. So before they tagged, then they looted after. So they don't care about intimidation or nothing. They care about greed and shit. It tells you like little things count.
They don't even know the size of the
Right.
or the things that
It's all about like money and shit like that. I mean, again, like I'm neutral when it comes to shit like this. I don't have like, I don't want to give an opinion like I'm saying I'm rooting for it or I'm against it. I'm neutral. I'd rather stay like that. But you know, like it's sad. It's sad shit. This is okay. So if I give criticism saying that it's bad or it's good, you see, like it's a sensitive topic, especially with George Floyd and Black Lives Matter and shit like that. So I'd rather just stay neutral on this subject. I'm viewing it subjectively, and it is sad. It's sad that this is happening.
But when you see this,
right? It's sad. It is.
Everything.
Yeah.
Still, I don't feel in the gut what I felt when I saw George Floyd.
Right, exactly. Well, if you're pretending it's George Floyd, then right. It's horrible, yeah. Because this is not a representation towards a fight towards black, towards not. Yeah.